Okay, you saw the car outside, and the paint still looks awesome. The paint still looks good from when I shot it about 2 years ago, a year to 2 years ago. So the customer wants it black, completely black. So that's what we're gonna be doing. And so let's get started. First of all, like this paint job, it's perfect. So there's nothing wrong with it. The car does have like one, maybe two little door dings uh, right there that I need to fix. Other than that, the car's intact. The car's intact. Everything is just perfect. So I'm just gonna start sanding it down and get it ready for paint. I am gonna take the bumpers off, the bumper covers, the front and back, because this car has a real tight muffler right here, and I'm not gonna be able to get paint in there. So I'm gonna take that off, paint them separate, and have it ready for paint without the bumpers. And that'll be it. I'm gonna have to start taking the door handles off, taking the mirrors, which all of that is black already, so it's real easy for me. The emblems are black, the rims are black, so even the top, remember when I painted this, so even this is ready. So it's not that much. Let's get started and start taking everything apart. There it is. Everything has been taken off. That's not going to be painted right now. Now I'm going to start sanding it. I'm going to be using an interface pad right there, and I'm going to be using 320 grit sandpaper to start roughing up all the paint. Alright, let me get started with the hood, and I'll bring you back. All right, guys, and that's it. This will be it. The car has been sanded completely with 320. Now what's next for me to do is wet sand it. I'm gonna wet sand it with 400, then I'm gonna wet sand it with 600, and the car should be ready for paint. Now these little primer spots that you see there, the car had some door dings, some little imperfections. The back, I did sand it to the factory paint. Reason being, I had to do some body work on it. There was some rust coming out, and that's basically it. That's all I did. So the car's ready. The car's ready to get wet sanded and get ready for paint. All right, so this will be it for this video, guys. I hope you guys like it. I hope you guys can learn something from it. This car had nothing wrong with it, so that's the reason I didn't show you a lot of stuff. All I did was sanded it. I sanded it with the DA completely. Now I'm gonna be wet sanding it, and that's it. That's all I did. So I'll bring you back this coming weekend with the painting process. It should be ready. Hopefully it's not cold, but if it's not, I'll bring you back with that video. All right, so yeah, this will be it for this video, guys, and I hope you guys are hitting that thumbs up. Share the video, guys. If you're not a subscriber, hit the link below. Help me out if you can, so that I can continue to make more videos. And guys, yeah, this will be it. All right, enjoy this rest of the week, and I'll see you this coming weekend. Again, God bless and have a great week.